Good morning, students of class 6. This is revision video of chapter number 4 and 5. Chapter number 4 is adjectives and chapter number 5 is pronouns. So let us start with chapter number 4, that is adjectives. We had already studied this chapter, so just it is a revision video. So pay attention towards it. So what is an adjective? The word which describes some noun is called an adjective. So example here, Bob was a plump boy. The fresh clear water shone brightly. So here plump and clear is adjective. Both are adjectives. So adjectives are of the following types: proper adjectives, descriptive adjectives, quantitative adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, distributive adjectives, interrogative and possessive adjectives. So let us study one by one. So first one is proper adjectives. Proper adjectives are formed from proper nouns. Proper adjectives are formed from proper nouns. Okay, proper nouns you all are knowing. So they describe a noun by referring to the proper nouns. Example, the Roman Empire, the French song. Second one, descriptive adjective shown the quality or condition of nouns. It shows the quality or condition of nouns. Example, a tall boy, a ferocious lion. Here it is showing the quality of the noun. Quantitative adjectives tell us the quantity or degree of a noun. Quantitative adjectives tells the quantity of noun. Words like any, much, little, knows, none, some, enough, this all comes in this category. Demonstrative, it points out the nouns. This, that, these and those comes in demonstrative adjectives. Distributive adjectives denotes one thing or person out of a whole group. Examples, each, either, neither, every. So these all comes in distributive adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are used before nouns to ask questions. You all are knowing interrogative adjectives are used for asking the questions. Whose and what are used as which. These all are used as interrogative adjectives. Now possessive adjective shows possessions. So they points out the person to which the noun they qualify belongs to. As my, our, your, his, her, it's their, etc. So these all comes in possessive adjectives. My pen is blue, our house is big. So now children, there are degrees of comparison. So how many degrees of comparison are there? There are 3 degrees of comparisons. First one is positive degree, second is comparative degree, and third is superlative degree. So when we talk about positive degree, what happens in positive degree? Positive degree में जब हम लोग बातें करते हैं, what happens in that? It is without any comparisons. In positive degree there is no comparison made. Okay, and in second, that is comparative degree, there is a comparison between two persons or thing. There is comparison between two persons or thing or more than two. Okay, comparison is being made. And in third what it is? Superlative degree. So superlative degree is the highest degree of a quality. जब किसी भी चीज़ की बातें होती है, that is in the highest degree of quality, that comes under superlative degree. Okay, so there are some rules to form degrees of comparisons. These all things you have studied earlier, so you have to learn these all things. Bold, bolder, boldest, dear, dearer, dearest, short, shortest, shortest, big, bigger, biggest. You all study the rules, learn the rules. And here last one, see in last page what it is: irregular comparisons. There are some irregular comparisons. Okay, positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. इसके irregular comparisons होते हैं, जैसे good का हम लोग gooder और goodest नहीं बोलते हैं. What we say? Good, better, best. Little, less, least or lesser. Much, more, most. Many, more, most. Bad, worse, worst. Evil, worse, worst. Evil का भी worse और worst होता है, बैड का भी वर्स और वर्स्ट होता है. and late, later, latest, or late, latter, last. Okay, so you have to learn these all things. Now come to chapter number 5. Chapter number 5 is pronouns. We had already studied pronouns are the words used instead of nouns in order to avoid repetition. जब किसी सेंटेंस में nouns की यूज़ होती है and then we use the word which can replace the noun, that is known as pronouns. Okay, example, Radha was crying because Radha was feeling unwell. So Radha was crying because she was feeling unwell. So she here is pronouns. So kinds of pronouns, children. Pronouns are of following types: personal pronouns, reflexive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, interrogative, distributive, and relative pronouns. So these all are kinds of pronouns. So first, let us study one by one. First one is personal pronouns. So personal pronouns are used for person or things. That is I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. These all pronouns are called personal because they stand for three persons. And what are three person in English grammar? That is first person, second person, and third person. So first person में क्या क्या आता है? The first person, when we talk about first person, I, we, me, us, my, mine, our, and ours. So first person is a person speaking as. Second person is person spoken to, and third person is person spoken about. Okay, person or things spoken about. So first person में क्या क्या आता है? I, we, me, us, my, mine, our, and us comes in first person. In second person what comes? You, your, and yours. ये आपका second person में आता है. Third person में he, she, her, him, they, them, his, hers, theirs, it, and its. These all comes in third persons. Okay, children. So here is a chart given. So learn this chart. It will be easier for you when you will frame the sentences. So we have studied about personal pronouns. Now second one is reflexive pronouns. So when self is added to words like my, your, him, her, it, and the selves to our, your, and them, we call it a reflexive pronouns. तो जब words में जैसे my, your, him और her, it, our, your और them में हम लोग selves ऐड करते हैं तो ये वर्ड जो होते हैं वो रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस के अंडर में आते हैं. योर सेल्फ, हर सेल्फ, देम सेल्फ, ओके, हिमसेल्फ, दिस ऑल कम्स इन रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस. नाउ third one is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative, children, you all are knowing demonstrative means pointing out. So these are used to point out the things to which they refer. Examples are these, that, these, and those comes in demonstrative pronouns. Indefinite pronouns, they are used indefinitely. They do not refer to any persons or thing in particular, but to person or thing in general में. Okay, particular नहीं होते person or thing इस pronoun में, but वो general में बात होती है. For example, one, none, some, any, somebody, anybody, nobody, everybody, something, all, few, etc. So these all comes in indefinite pronouns. Alright. Now fifth one, interrogative pronouns. Interrogative means what? Asking questions. You all must be knowing that they are used for asking questions. So the words which are starting with WH, these all comes in interrogative pronouns. Who, whom, and whose ask questions about persons only. So who, which, and what are used for things. Who is used for persons. Which is used for both animals and things. And what is used for only things. Okay. So who are you, which is the book you wanted, what have you done so far. So this all comes in interrogative pronouns. Now comes the distributive pronoun. Distributive means refer to person or things one at a time. Each, either, neither, and every, these all are distributive pronouns. Each is used. Each means every, one or two or more taken separately. Okay, either one of the two. नाइदर का यूज होता है नन ऑफ द टू में और एवरी का यूज होता है सिंगुलर क्लास नाउन्स में. ओके, नाउ लास्ट वन इज रिलेटिव प्रोनाउंस. सो दे टेक द प्लेस ऑफ नाउन्स टू विच दे रिफर टू. एग्जाम्पल्स हु, विच, दैट, दिस, दिस ऑल कम्स whose, whom. These all comes in relative pronouns. So here who, whose and whom's are used for persons, which is used for things and animals, and that is used for persons and things. That का यूज़ किसके लिए होता है? पर्सन और थिंग्स के लिए यूज़ होता है. And this is the man who kidnapped my son. Okay, so this is used for, this is the man who kidnapped my son. Okay, so these were the examples given here. So hope you would have understood the chapters, children. Now your examinations are coming, so study hard. Your questions will be coming, MCQ will be coming, so option will be given here. You have to write the options. Okay, study hard and stay at home. Be safe. Thank you.